Joseph, I like that story of Joseph. When he told his brother his dream and his vision, when he told them his dream.
Welcome to EKKA Media.
What's up, guys? What's up, EK? Another one here, another one. So, this is a continuation of the other video. You remember I was cutting my trees back there, and my chainsaw broke, my other saw broke, so I had to go buy a new one, and that's what I'm gonna be using right now. So thank you for coming back to my channel. Subscribe, like. We're in spring weather right now. It's so hot. It's just like bipolar. It's hot one time and then it's cold, it's hot, but right now it's hot. So today I bought a new saw, like you can extend with a pole, and that's what I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna try just trim the tree. All right, so let me unbox this as you join me. Oh, what up, guys? So this is how it looks like. I bought this pole from a store called Lowe's. That's how it looks like. Total cost was like $60 for this, so I have to try assemble it and try use it to just trim the tree. Yeah, just use it to trim the tree. I like how that sounds. So let's do this. Let me do the unboxing, and bless up yourself, guys. Bless up yourself. So I got a small blade here. I'm gonna use it. Try to get it up. Alright. The packaging is insane, man. So how do I start? Right, so it has a string. This string here, you use it to pull. You use the string to pull it when you're cutting and when you're trimming. So this is how we're gonna do it. I hope this one will last like the other one. The other one was from Walmart. That's why it just broke easily. So that's how you do it, as you can see. Okay. And then this one. Alright. Oh yeah, I like this. So how do you trim this? basically now, the next step I'll be doing, I still need to do some more, but next step I'll be using this right here. You see this one? To cut these into small pieces, yeah? Because for the city to come and pick them up, you have to cut each of these into like six whatever, cut them and then put them in bundles, okay? So I have to chop all these into small pieces. All these are small pieces so that the city can come carry them and trash them. Otherwise they can never pick these when it's like this. So at least I was able to cut. There was some that were touching. You see, like those ones, I still need to cut them because that one is touching the line, the power line. You see, there's one touching the power line right there. I need to cut that one too. I need to cut that one because I don't want them going all the way to the power line. Oh my God, there's another one on this side. Yes, I gotta cut all of them that are going towards that side. You don't want that in a power line, guys. So that's gonna be my weekend until I get all this done here. Until I get all these trees done, I'm gonna be very busy. I'm gonna be very, very busy. Cut them, chop them into pieces, and then when I do that, I'm gonna send them in the front yard for them to come and carry it out. So I have a lot to do. So I'm gonna stop this video here. And bless up yourself, guys. And this is my life during spring weather. All right, this is my life during spring weather. And then there's this space here that I need to put a little, like a small shade where I can keep my stuff. So I'll use the old roof that I had before and some of the wood. So don't forget to like that video, subscribe, share if it's your first time. If you've watched this far, bless up yourself, and God bless you. And keep dreaming like Joseph. You understand? Joseph, I like that story of Joseph. When he told his brother his dream and his vision, when he told them his dream and his vision, they hated him. He also told his father, and father rebuked him. In this life, you don't tell people, you don't just tell everybody your dream and your vision. You gotta be very careful who you tell, whether they'll be for you. That's one thing I've learned in this life. There are people who pretend to be for you, but they're not for you. And the Bible says, even when they wanted to kill him and put him in the pit, he still had yet another dream in the prison. When he was sold as a prisoner, he still had yet another dream. It might feel like your dream has come to an end, but you need, like Joseph, to dream again. Dream again. The Bible says, and Joseph had yet another dream. It's a must. You must have yet another dream. It looks like your dream in the past is gone, but listen, the Bible says Joseph had yet. You have to keep dreaming. Do not look at your past. Do not look at rejection. Do not look at what people say. Do not betray you, even your own brethren. Dream like Joseph. Keep dreaming, because you're here on this world on divine appointment, on divine purpose. Bless up, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.